Hello.
Hello.
Hey, I'm Officer Smith, Bentonville Police Department.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Smith. Sorry, I was on the phone.
You're on the phone?
I'll be honest. You can talk to him if you want.
How much do you have to drink tonight?
Only one drink.
Just one drink?
Yep. Yes,
Final
sir.
answer?
Miller. I won't lie to you, a Miller Lite.
That's all you've had?
Yes, sir. You can ask Zachary.
I don't really want to talk to Zachary.
I know you don't. You're making me giggle.
Sorry.
Huntsville.
We're supposed to do that.
Everybody, let's get together. All right, stop laughing.
I'm not.
Even though drunk driving is very serious, sometimes unexpected things happen during police stops. When Officer Nathan Smith stopped Brooke Teague for drunk driving, they shared a laugh throughout the encounter. But even though they laughed, it's still important to remember how dangerous drunk driving is. On January 15, 2023, Officer Nathan Smith of the Bentonville Police Department, while westbound on SE Walton Boulevard, observed a black SUV drifting repeatedly across the yellow line. After witnessing this erratic driving, he initiated a traffic stop, and the vehicle pulled over in the credit car's parking lot. Officer Smith approached the driver's side window and made contact with the driver, identified as Brooke Teague by her Arkansas driver's license.
Hello.
Hey, I'm Officer Smith, Bentonville Police Department.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Smith.
I've never heard that before in a traffic stop. I appreciate that. Hey, so I'm just stopping you for improper lane use.
Sorry, I was on the phone.
You're on the phone?
I'll be honest.
Okay. Who are you on the phone with?
My baby daddy. I'll show it to you too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zachary?
Yeah. You can talk to him if you want.
He observed her eyes to be bloodshot and watery and noted the smell of intoxicants emanating from the vehicle, along with slurred speech.
I'm coming from JJ's. I just got off. I'm going to street. Go home. Yeah.
Okay. You live on the street?
Yes, sir.
In Bentonville?
Yep.
Okay. What time did your shift end at JJ's?
It ended at 10:30.
Okay. You had to clean up and all that
Yep.
stuff? Okay. How much do you have to drink tonight?
Only one drink.
Just one drink?
Yep. Yes,
Final
sir.
answer?
Miller.
A Miller Lite?
Yes. I won't lie to you, a Miller Lite.
That's all you've had?
Yes, sir. You can ask Zachary.
I don't really want to talk to Zachary.
I know you don't, but I'm just saying.
Okay. Hey, do you have your driver's license?
Yes, sir. Here's these two, my insurance and registration. Give me a second because I do throw my driver license in here. I will be honest with you, it's going to take me a minute. I always throw it in here.
Alright, well, I'll let you keep on looking for that. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, yes, sir.
The old jacket on.
Yeah.
I should have worn my sweater tonight.
You should have. Yeah, I can smell it from across the car.
Oh, yeah, dude. She was all over the road. She's like, I had one Miller Lite. There's no... I wanted to say, like, a Miller did that to you?
Big Miller.
I was going to say, was it like a...
The 128 ounce Miller.
Yeah, like a freaking bucket of Miller. Poor thing. I think we've dealt with her before on 8th Street. Like in the surveillance or something.
Doesn't look familiar. Doesn't mean much, though.
Due to these observations, particularly the strong smell of alcohol, Officer Smith requested Teague to undergo standardized field sobriety test, to which she agreed.
No. Alright, where are we at on it? Awesome. Brooke
Yes.
Teague. Am I saying that right? Teague?
Yes. Like baseball league.
Teague like baseball league.
Yep. It helps people spell it because they never spell it correctly.
971, 1051. Female to Arkansas, last name Teague. Spelling is Tom Edward Adam, George Union Edward, first of Brooke, middle of Danielle, date of birth in 1996. Alright, Brooke, hey, would you want to do some field sobriety tests? Make sure you're good to go?
Yeah.
Alright.
You want me to turn the car off?
Whatever you want to do, you can leave it on or run it. Or
I'm keeping it
just
warm.
Go back in front of my car for me, okay? No guns or knives on you?
No.
Okay.
During the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, Officer Smith observed Brooke Teague eyes, showing signs of impairment.
Simple. Alright, you wear glasses or contacts?
I am blind, but I don't wear contacts because I had a cataracts issue.
Okay. Do you want a jacket?
I do not, but I'll be fine.
Okay. Alright, take a step forward for me. Alright, put your feet together like mine, heel to heel, toe to toe, keep your arms at your side, and just relax. Okay, look straight ahead. You see, tip my finger? Yes? No?
Yes.
Alright, follow with your eyes, don't move your head. You understand that?
Okay.
Okay. You want to move your hair a little bit for me? Appreciate it. Alright, right here. Okay? Don't move your head. Try not to move your head.
You're making me giggle. I'm sorry.
He makes me giggle too. It's okay.
Okay. I snore. I'm from
Sorry.
Huntsville.
We're supposed to be professional.
I'm from
here.
Huntsville. It's going to make me snort.
Everybody, let's
Okay, sorry.
let's get it together. Okay. All right, stop laughing because you're making me laugh.
I'm not.
All right? Seriously.
I'm giggling. I'm
All right,
sorry.
this is a serious deal. All right, okay. All right, hands at your side, though. I can tell you're trying to laugh, and it's making me laugh. Get it?
You're smiling. I can't help it.
All right, stop.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm just
All right.
smiling.
No, I don't
I'm
know.
sorry.
Anyway,
I get nervous.
okay. All right. Don't move your head, okay? All right. You sure you don't have like a blanket you can throw on yourself?
I really don't. I just cleaned my car out, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I just moved.
All right. Step right in this circle that I just made
Okay.
and face it this way.
Okay.
All right. Can you imagine a straight line coming out of your left foot? You can?
In the walk and turn test, Teague struggled to maintain balance, stepped off the line, and took incorrect steps.
Okay. Put your right foot in front of your left foot on that imaginary line. Keep your arms at your side and just relax. Okay, don't move until I tell you to do so. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. For this test, I'm going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the imaginary line, make a small turn, and then take 9 more heel-to-toe steps back down that imaginary line with your arms at your side, looking down at your feet, and counting out loud. It's going to look and sound like this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until you get to 9. Assuming this is your lead foot, take a series of small steps exactly like so to turn around, and then take 9 more heel-to-toe steps back down the imaginary line. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until you get to 9. For demonstration purposes, I'm doing 3. Remember, you're doing 9. Okay, during this test, remember, keep your arms at your side, look down at your feet, count out loud, and do not stop the test until you've completed the test.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Do you understand the test?
Yes, sir.
All right, remember, keep your arms at your side, okay? You can begin whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right.
Finally, during the one-leg stand test, she put her foot down, used her arms for balance, and swayed, indicating further signs of impairment.
Go ahead and put your feet back together again, heel to heel, toe to toe. Put your arms down at your side, and just relax. Do not move until I tell you to do so, okay? For this test, I'm going to have you raise one foot above the ground approximately 6 inches. Okay, I don't care which foot you use, your right or your left. For demonstration purposes, I'm using my right foot. So, raising your foot above the ground approximately 6 inches, with your toe pointing forward, your knees straight, your arms at your side, looking down at your elevated toe. You're going to count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay? Remember, look down at your foot, keep your arms at your side, keep that knee straight, toe pointing forward, and your foot above the ground approximately 6 inches, okay? Do you understand the test?
To 9.
Sorry?
To 9.
To 9?
How many seconds?
Until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
You have a test?
Yes, sir.
You have time?
Yep.
All right, whenever you're ready. Keep your arms at your side, okay? Out of your pockets.
1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6 second, 7 second, 8 second, 9 second, 10 second, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Okay, you can put your foot down.
How much you've actually had a drink?
I've had 2 Millers.
2 Millers now? That's it?
Yes, sir. You can call Mitchell, the manager.
Okay.
Brooke was unable to successfully complete the field sobriety tests to a satisfactory level.
Well, hey, go ahead and put your hands on your back for me, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, for me.
9:29.
Hey, so,
I have a son. Can my...
So-
come get the car.
Hold on 1 second. 971 is 10:15.
He's on the phone still.
Who is?
My baby daddy. It's on the dashboard.
Okay.
Zachary.
Yes.
Okay, do you have anything in your pockets?
No,
At
sir.
all?
No.
Nothing at all?
No. Nothing
guns
that
are
will
nice.
hurt you. No.
Well, anything at all?
No, nothing.
Like a pack of gum
No.
would be
No.
something. All right. Yeah.
Brooke was arrested on charges of driving while intoxicated. Driving under the influence is synonymous with endangering your and other innocent lives as well. For more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.